everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is Tuesday, I believe the 11th. I'm actually taping in the middle of the day, so hopefully my lighting is a little bit better. Today we are going to do this, which I know there's like a bazillion videos out there already, but I got this yesterday in the mail, and so I thought we would go over this today. And then I will hopefully have some time tonight and I'll tape up some more videos, including some declutter videos. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. For those that are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Rachel. I do lifestyle, unboxing, beauty. I love mystery boxes, so we're going to be doing this one. This is the Jeffree Star mystery box. I do a lot of stuff, so if you're interested, take a look. I am doing a series on ingredients videos for those that are interested. I know I've done 2 of those. I'll post up the series up there. I will be doing, I think collagen is going to be my next one. I've had quite a few people ask that. So that one will be coming up, and I'm hoping in the next week. I think it's going to end up being like an ingredient of the month is how it's going to end up panning out. So, all right. And then if you guys have not gotten around to it, my last video, I did talk a little bit about some of the drama involving BoxyCharm and some of the accusations and things coming out. I tried to be very balanced on it, so if anyone's interested in it, I'll post that up above, but okay, I digress. So this is the first time I've ever gotten this. This is the Jeffree Star mystery box. I actually wanted to get the medium-sized box. There were 3 sizes boxes. There was like the deluxe, the supreme, and I forget what, premium maybe was the other one, and so what I found out later is that if you went on your phone and did it, the drop-down menu wouldn't let you pick. So I was like, screw it. I've never gotten one of these. I really want to get one of these. I really don't own any of his products besides the mini controversy palette, which I do believe I have here. And I have not done a video on this. At some point I will do a video on this. This is literally the only Jeffree Star thing I own. Right or wrong, whether you love him or not, I think a lot of people agree that his cosmetics are well done. And so anyway, I'm just gonna get into the mystery box because this, like I said, is the first time I've got it. So this one was the smallest box. It's supposed to have 4 items. I wish I had screenshotted it, but I feel like they said that it was not going to have much in the way of merch, but maybe I misread that. It's $50, I believe, no, $60 for this one. And then I don't remember the prices on the other ones because like I said, I couldn't do it. So next time if you run into this issue, I know now to go on a computer because people who did that were fine. But anyway, let's dive into it. So I just peeked. I didn't open it fully. And so this is what it looks like in here. So definitely there is merch in there. Okay, so let's just dive into it. So the first thing is a beanie. I think everybody was going to get some sort of Valentine's Day merch. So this doesn't totally upset me, although I don't know if I'm going to use it. So this is a little beanie. It is bright red. This is not a color I tend to go for. I have nothing against beanies, although I don't wear them much here. My hair is up in a high ponytail, so I'm not going to put this on, but I am going on a trip, so I don't know. I just don't know about red. I'll play with this. Obviously, I'm not going to give my daughter a Jeffree Star beanie. She's 6. That just seems a little wrong, but this is what it looks like. It is cute. I just wish it wasn't red. I wish it was a different color. That's just a personal thing. I've seen a lot of people wear this, and they really, really rock the color. So if you guys haven't seen, is it Allie Dawson? I just adore her channel. I feel like she started out and she and I were at the same level and she just skyrocketed. She's like doing so awesome now. But anyway, she put this thing on and she looked freaking adorable. All right, next thing here, which will go in my 1,000 subscriber giveaway that I'm going to do. That video should be coming up in the next week. Like I said, I'm compiling stuff for it, but this will go in there. This is the Jeffree Star Pop Grip. I don't use these. My phone has like a flip case. I just like having a flip case, and so those things don't work on here. So every time I get one of these, I just feel like it's kind of a waste. So this will go to someone else. So I'm a little bummed this is in here. So that's 2 of the 4 items. So this is number 3, and this one I am excited about. I have wanted to try his lip gloss formula. I feel like these are like 20 some odd dollars. But this is the color Succulent. And so this, oh, that's so pretty. Okay, I am super happy with this color. This is what it looks like. He's got very bougie packaging. It's actually a little much for my taste. I'm not a big fan of how big the packaging is, but it goes with the company. But gosh, that color is absolutely beautiful. And I've heard nothing but great things about him and his lip glosses. So, okay. Wow, look at that. It's this really pretty pink to blue shift. Oh, that's really, really pretty. Okay, so I am super excited about that. That is definitely usable and wearable. You guys know how much I wear lip gloss and how much I love it. So, yay, 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 yay. Okay, and then I peeked and saw this. I'm pretty sure this is the Alien palette, just looking at this. And now the thing that's cool about this is it's a freaking full-size palette. So let's just open it up here. This palette was just discontinued. Like nobody can get this anymore. And this I believe is like a 50 some odd dollar palette. So right between the gloss and this, it's totally worth it. I don't own this palette. You can't get this palette. And now people are trying to sell it for some ungodly large amount of money. And this is awesome. Like I'm super excited about this. Look at that. It's pink. So that's cool. But yeah, this is, oh wow, this is nice packaging. I am super excited. Like I was not expecting a full-size palette. I was thinking like maybe he put like a mini Jawbreaker palette or something in there. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I actually really like this. Okay, I know there's a bazillion videos on this. This has been out since 2018. But I don't have anything like this. This is really pretty. So, wow, got a full-size one on there. So, that's pretty cool. That's really it. Like I said, I only got the one because I couldn't figure out how to decrease the, like drop down the menu or anything. But, so, we got these two. I just threw it. We had these two things, the lip gloss and the palette, which totally make it worth its price for me. We have the beanie, which not my favorite. I'm not a big fan of putting merch in it. If he's gonna put merch, I wish it was, I wish I'd gotten like the mirror. I know that's weird and picky, but I like his mirrors and I personally find that a little bit better. I'm not a big fan of getting clothing in beauty subscription boxes, or not subscription boxes, mystery boxes, but you knew that this is a possibility. He does this. So this isn't like the end of the world. It is cute. And then I don't like the pop socket. Like I'm just gonna be Debbie Downer on that, but I don't really like that. So, all right guys, this is a very, very short unboxing because really there are only 4 items, but I really do like it. I actually will try one of his mystery boxes again just because, like I said, I don't have a lot of his products. And so it's kind of a fun way. I definitely got my value out of that box. So I'm happy with that box. Now I'm trying to wipe this off and I just got glitter everywhere. I tried glitter on my face today. You guys would be so proud of me. So I was using the Tati Beauty palette and I put this glitter on my eyelid and I'm gonna see if it like migrates down my face because I'm trying to give pressed glitters a little go. Okay guys, so that is about it. I've got really nothing else for you guys today, but I hope you have a wonderful day and stay warm. It's like 40 degrees out here, which is insane for Texas. We do not get this cold down here. Oh, and then my cat is coming out of hiding. If you see, there's her tail right there. So anyway, guys, I am rambling. I'm going to let you go. I'll talk to you guys later. Please subscribe, give thumbs up, and share. Bye.